In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Makes a Purchase email on ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the entire process of setting up an automation that sends an email automatically whenever someone buys from your online store, using the native e-commerce integrations like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. By the end, you'll have a fully working post-purchase email ready to go. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look at the left-hand menu. Find the Automations section and click on it. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Once you're there, click the button to create a new automation. When ActiveCampaign asks how you want to start, choose the option to start from scratch. This gives you a clean slate and full control over what happens. Next, we need to tell ActiveCampaign when this automation should begin. You'll see a list of triggers. Look for the one labeled Makes a Purchase. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll be asked to choose your store. Pick the e-commerce store you already have connected, whether that's Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or another native integration. Once you've selected the right store, confirm it and add the start trigger. From now on, any customer who makes a purchase through that store can enter this automation. With the trigger in place, we can decide what happens next. In the automation builder, click the plus icon to add a new action. From the list of options, choose Sending Options, then select Send an Email. You'll be prompted to either use an existing email or create a new one. Choose to create a new email so you can design a message specifically for this post-purchase flow. Now you'll enter the email editor. This is where you design the actual content your customer will receive. To highlight what they bought, look for the product block in the design panel and drag it into your email layout. Because you're using the native e-commerce integration, this block can dynamically pull in the specific products from the customer's order so the email feels personalized and relevant. Customize the text around it, maybe thanking them for their purchase, confirming their order, or suggesting next steps. When you're happy with the design, click Next to review and finalize the email settings. Once everything looks good, click Finish. Back in the automation overview, look to the top right and toggle the automation from inactive to active. That switch is what actually turns the workflow on. From this point forward, every time a customer makes a purchase in your connected store, ActiveCampaign will automatically send the email you just created.